Are things warming up, Brian?
Yes.
Temperatures are warming up, apparently, so we turn our attention to outdoor living spaces with expert help from designer Kate Davidson. Good morning, Kate. We haven't seen you in a while.
I know. I'm so glad to be back.
Yeah,
So,
good to see you. And we're waiting to see spring, and I'm sure you're dying to get out there too. You've had, many consults with your clients on creating great outdoor spaces, so maybe we can learn something this morning.
Yeah, we all can't wait for the weather to warm up, and we all love entertaining outdoors and living outdoors. So today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to think about designing and furnishing your outdoor spaces.
Okay, so it starts with zones, right?
Pardon me?
We start with thinking of what zones there are.
Exactly. So you want to think of function and the areas and what you're going to use it for. So obviously you want a dining area, a cooking area to barbecue, living space, and a play space. So this picture here is a outdoor kitchen, and one key tip.
Yeah, is it ever? Wow, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, and as you can see this space, the key tip is creating spaces that actually look more like the indoors. Right now, we're really bringing a lot of our indoor idea now into the outdoors. So this looks like a kitchen you could even have inside your house. It's absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely. Now, this picture here, the materials, is that all composite for the flooring, or are there, some of it looks like luxury vinyl?
Right, so this is actually composite flooring, decking material.
Yeah.
And also you notice the barbecue, the kitchen, that's aluminum cabinetry. So it's great to keep, obviously outdoors all year round. It can withstand the elements. And also countertops. So this is beautiful Caesar stone countertops. They just came out with this outdoor product. And it's scratch resistant. It can withstand the elements, and it's great to leave out all year round.
Yeah, so you can leave that barbecue out there and just cover it and it's fine?
Well, it's good. Yeah, definitely we recommend to cover everything during the winter months. But again, it can withstand the cold, heat, and scratch resistance.
Because it's a concern when you invest that much money in an outdoor kitchen, you don't want it suffering from the elements. Yeah.
Yeah, again, there's lots of fabulous companies here that have these outdoor systems.
Okay, let's take a look at some other pictures here. I've seen some greenery in these pictures. We're seeing a lot of the faux greenery and hedges. Are they getting better? Do you recommend them?
So yeah, this is a space that we designed a few years back. It's a small terrace. So when you have a smaller space, definitely it's good to bring in greenery, if you don't have a garden. So planter boxes, for some privacy from your neighbor. There's actually these great greenery hedges that look really real, but they're faux. So again, whether you have a big space or a small space, again, you can see here how there's different zones.
Hey, get out of my backyard.
I know, isn't this gorgeous?
That's amazing.
We designed last summer, and it's in the current issue of Style at Home magazine. It's absolutely beautiful. And you can see here we have a lot of different zones. We incorporated this bar space. That was a new addition. They have a dining area where you might see in the next photo. There's a fire pit, and then they do have a pool. So we have some chaise lounges there.
And
one key
takeaway
here is you can see we have different furniture materials. So again, this is my takeaway for you guys today is definitely mix and match. It's not about the whole matched set anymore. You can see the dining chairs here are a teak. The dining table is aluminum. Again, you can see the bar stool is aluminum, the black, while the lounge chairs we did in a teak. One thing to keep in mind with teak furniture, it is natural wood, so it will wear. Actually, it does gray over time.
But is that an okay thing? Like sort of a rustic look?
Exactly. You just have to, embrace it and understand when you're buying teak that that's what's going to happen, right? You can pressure wash it to bring that wood tone back.
Yeah.
So again, that's okay.
Given with the stonework, I would actually think that's a good look with the grayed teak and that stonework.
Exactly. The gray, and it's going to be a warm gray, so
Yeah.
it really does complement this style right now. And you can see here in this also same backyard, but we did the woven for the furniture. So it's all about mixing and matching, but keeping it cohesive. Right,
Okay.
we kept all the upholstery cohesive and the same similar tones, but again, we mixed
Yeah.
and matched.
And then you can light it up nicely with solar lighting. More great ideas at your website. We'll link that at chh.com. See you in the great outdoors, Kate.
Yes, can't wait.